Understanding, message not received. Hello, and welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's commonly used in both personal and professional communication: message not received. This phrase can be literal or metaphorical, and understanding its nuances is key to effective communication. Let's explore together. When we say, message not received, in a literal sense, we're talking about a failure in communication technology. This could mean an email didn't go through, a text message didn't arrive, or a voice message was lost. In these cases, the problem is technical, and the sender of the message may need to try again or use a different communication method. More interestingly, message not received can be used metaphorically to indicate that someone did not understand the intended meaning or importance of what was communicated. It's not about the physical message being lost. Instead, the recipient might not grasp the significance, disagree with the premise, or simply miss the point of the message. Understanding, message not received, also involves recognizing its cultural and contextual layers. For example, in some cultures, direct communication is less common, and saying, message not received, could be a polite way of expressing confusion or disagreement. In professional settings, it might highlight a need for clearer instructions or more detailed explanations. To prevent a message not received scenario, both senders and receivers can take steps to enhance communication. Clarify and confirm. Always make sure the message is clear and check if the recipient understands it. Use effective channels. Choose the most appropriate communication method for your message. Be open to feedback. Encourage questions and clarifications to ensure mutual understanding. We hope this exploration of message not received enhances your understanding of English communication nuances. Whether you're dealing with a lost email or a misunderstood conversation, remembering these insights can greatly improve your interactions. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to our next lesson together.